And the race is on. Queen Alicia, fast to begin, rising up is getting better. My Ray down on the inside, rising up Anonymous, chip of stop. And Kyrell is the early trailer by about 7 or 8 lengths of the leader. Queen Alicia by some 2 lengths, followed by Getting Better, and racing third by some 6 lengths. Anonymous, chip of stop by Daryl is My Ray, and Kyrell is still running at the tail of the field. Passing the half-mile post, Queen Alicia by some 2 lengths, Getting Better. Anonymous racing in third by some 4 lengths. Chip of Stop is running in fourth by Darrell. Rounding the far turn, Queen Alicia by a length and a half, Getting Better. Anonymous racing in third by some 4 lengths. Chip of Stop as they race the final corner. Queen Alicia is still leading by 3/4 of a length, Getting Better, and racing in third is Chip of Stop Anonymous, and during the last 100 meters more to run, Queen Alicia by 3/4 of a length, Getting Better from the outside, but still Queen Alicia, and finally Queen Alicia Getting Better, Chip of Stop Anonymous, Kyrell, and My Ray comes last.
Yan ang